Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to Abiel Carrillo. Abiel is an engineer for KSA in our McKinney office, and one of the things that he's been seeing a lot of lately is a pavement condition evaluation method. And Abiel, tell us a little bit about this method that you're using.
Sure. Well, in a nutshell, it's called the Pavement Condition Index. It's a system that was developed a long time ago by the Army Corps of Engineers. It's a tested and proven scientific method of developing an unbiased accounting of the condition of your streets. Once you accomplish that, it can help us develop a strategic plan to elongate the life of your street network. You get an unbiased table of the best and worst conditions along the road, and you can tailor your maintenance and rehabilitation strategies around that.
Abiel, what's the best way to get started evaluating your pavement condition in your communities using this method?
Sure. The first step is to sit down and see what you already have. A lot of communities have tables of all their street network, like an inventory. A lot of communities already have some GIS capabilities, and so it just takes a conversation to see where you're at, and we can tailor a solution for you based on what your side goals are as well.
And I'm guessing that long term, it's cheaper to maintain properly pavement instead of tearing up and putting down new. Is that right?
And that's exactly right. What this does is that identifies candidate roads that can be treated with preventative and rehabilitative strategies instead of always picking up from the bottom of the barrel the streets that need to be totally reconstructed.
Great. Hey, if you're going to be at the Texas Municipal League Annual Conference October 9th through the 11th in San Antonio, we'd love for you to come by and visit with Abiel. He will be there at the conference and ready to talk to you about the method of evaluating your pavement properly and keeping those pavements, that infrastructure in place and in good condition. We hope you come by and see us, and we'll see you in San Antonio. Thanks.